Imagine discovering your personal information exposed online, vulnerable to privacy breaches and identity theft. Trellis Law, a legal analytics platform, compiles detailed court case data, making your sensitive information easily accessible. Your name might appear on Trellis Law due to involvement in legal proceedings, exposing you to potential security risks. Removing your information from Trellis Law is crucial for protecting your privacy and repairing your reputation. Start by identifying all personal information you want to remove, including names, addresses, and contact details. Review Trellis Law's privacy policy to understand their data handling practices and your rights. Contact Trellis Law support, clearly stating your request and providing specific details about the data to be removed. Be prepared to provide necessary documentation to prove your identity and the legitimacy of your request. If the process seems daunting, Defamation Defenders offers guaranteed removal services, ensuring your data is handled professionally. Take control of your online presence and protect your reputation by removing your information from Trellis Law today.